5 Best Handheld Vacuums. Here is the product number 5 PUPPYOO Cordless Handheld. Brand name, PUPPYOO. Product type, handheld vacuums. Remote control, Node. Voltage D100-240V. Certification, CEGS. Dust storage type, cyclone dust bucket/dust box. Bag or bagless, bagless. Here is the product number for PUPPYOO Low Noise Home. Brand name, PUPPYOO. Function, drive. Power W500-999W. Voltage D220-240V. Type, cyclone. Installation, handheld. Highest storage type, dust box/dust bucket. Special suction nozzle, flat suction nozzle. Here is the product number 3 Car Vacuum Cleaner 12V120W. Brand name, SEAMVPAL. Item type, vacuum cleaner. Item length, 35 cm. Item height, 10 cm. Special features, universal car vacuum cleaner. Model name, C37457. Item weight, 745 g. Material type, ABS plastic. Here is the product number 2 PUPPYOO Low Noise Mini Home. Brand name, PUPPYOO. Installation, prod type. Remote control, Node. Certification, CE. Dust storage type, cyclone dust bucket/dust box. Bag or bagless, bagless. Voltage V220-240V. Function, drive. Here is the product number 1 Car Vacuum Cleaner 120W. Brand name, GRIKE. Item type, vacuum cleaner. Item width, 3.94 inch. Item length, 12.99 inch. Item weight, 0.8 kilograms. Material type, plastic. Model name, Car Vacuum. External testing certification, CCC.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.